Alright, thanks for tuning in, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of your internet. So let's get to it. Down at the bottom in the search you're going to type in Gpedit Msc. So what that stands for is Group Policy Editor Microsoft Console. Okay, let's go into that. Alright, once in there you're going to go, let's move this over a little bit. Let's go to Administrative Templates. Double click. Then you're going to go down to Network. Double click. Then you're going to go down to Qos Packet Scheduler. Alright, I'm going to make this a little bigger here. Alright, so once you're in Qos Packet Scheduler, you're going to go over to Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Double click on that, and now it's not configured. So your number, once you enable it, it's going to be 80. So it says click on enabled. It's going to be set to 80%. We're going to change that to 0%, and that's it. And that's how you're going to increase the bandwidth that you get. By default, if you set it to 80, it limits the system to 80% of the bandwidth of a connection. But you can use this setting to override the default. So we're going to set that to 0 so you can maximize how much bandwidth you get. Anyway, that is the fastest way that you can speed up your internet so you're getting the fastest bandwidth possible out of your connection. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.